Hello friends, welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile like pin, pattern, password. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking your mobile or a smartphone or any Android phone, whatever you were using and that is locked. You may use these tricks at any Android phone. And the biggest thing is from this video, we will also know that how can you remove the password of your mobile without using computer software. This method is also used in nowadays in service center. By doing this, you can unlock your any Android phone at home. So let's learn it. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry and work with a cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all, you have to fully charge your smartphone so that your mobile is not switched off in the process of unlocking. If your mobile is switched off, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger or being deleted. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to unlock your smartphone. First of all, you must fully battery charge of your smartphone. Then after, use the offline mode. Your mobile battery should be fully charged. Otherwise, it may be possible your data, whatever was in your phone, may be deleted. If your phone is not charged minimum 30%, then you can use this method with the help of connect your charger with your phone. So firstly, you will have to convert your phone on airplane mode. So you can see here my phone is already in airplane mode. If your phone is not on airplane mode, you can convert it on airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. You can see here. Firstly, you will have to click on airplane mode. Now your phone's airplane mode has been activated and all the network has disappeared from your phone. Now the second stage is whatever you have to do. You will have to click on emergency SOS button. Now I have clicked on emergency SOS button. Now can you see here there is a dialing pad. So open your dialer pad. Now I'm going to give you a secret code. That secret code is used to close all the application in your background which were running before your phone locked. So click on this. You may also take a screenshot for it. The secret code is star hash 8526900 and hash. After dialing this number, you will have to call on this number. Then you will get a prompt of to confirm. Okay, you will have to confirm. Now again call this number and again okay. Again call this number and again click on okay. You will have to do this at least 3 times. Now you will have to clear this option. And one thing I would like to tell you, this secret code is generally updated in 15 days. If your phone does not unlock by this method, you can subscribe my channel for the next after 15 days video. Your phone will be unlocked. So the second stage is now I'm going to activate my phone's engineer's mode. That mode is completely for the unlock your mobile smartphones. Okay. So now, first of all, the secret code is star hash 899 and hash. After dialing this number, you will see here page. There are lots of options from top to bottom, but you will have to go with the software version option. You can see here there is a written software version. You will have to click on software version. After clicking on this option, there are lots of options from top to bottom, but you will have to go with the Android version 13. If your phone is showing Android version 12, then you will have to click on this option 12 times. If your phone is showing Android version 10, then you will have to click on this option 10 times. So click on this option 13 times. I'm going to clicking on this option 13 times. You may count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. After clicking in at this option, now your first process has been completed. Now go with the back button. Now you can see there is an option of a manual test above software version. Now you will have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you will get a such type of page. Now you will have to simply slide this page right side and until you get an option of other. Now you can see here there is an option that is other. Now in this option you will have to click on main board version at least 7 times. You will have to click here. So click on this option 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now after clicking on this option main board version 7 times, you will have to stay here at least 7 seconds. So wait for 7 seconds. Now 7 seconds has been completed. Now you can see here there is an option at the second number, read write important log test. Now click on simply read write and important log test. You will get a prompt to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. You will have to cancel here and continue do this process at least 3 times, 2 and 3. After 3 times you will have to again get a prompt of confirm. Now you will have to go with the OK option. Your third stage has been completed. Now this is the last process, so don't skip any step until your phone is unlocked. So don't skip any step, otherwise your phone could not be unlocked. So now you will have to come on device debugging option. This is the last step for your mobile unlocking. So you can see here there is a lots of option in this page also, but you will have to go with the sensor self test and calibration option. You can see here sensor self test and calibration. Now you will have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you will get a prompt of 3 type. It may be possible in your phone it will comes 2 option, 1 option. So you can see here what is written here, operation not started in the second option and third option also. Now you will have to simply click on these options continuously until you get a message test passes. If you see here test passes message, then it means your phone has been unlocked. Now simply what you have to do, you have to go with the home button. So you can see here bottom of the phone there is a home button option. Now simply you will have to click on this option. Now you can see here your phone has been unlocked and all the data and all the photos which were in your phone as usual as it is in your phone. So if this video helped you to unlock your phone, then subscribe my channel and like this video. And if your phone didn't lock by this method, then you may comment in my comment box. Our team will quickly respond on your comments. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with the next technical issues. Thank you.